Hello, friends. Welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investors, our target is to save, create wealth, and earn. Do not lose your hard-earned money in gambling. If you are interested to get more recommendations, then click subscribe and bell icon. Do your research and let us know your insight also in comment. Today we'll discuss on Borosil Renewable. Borosil Glassworks manufactures scientific wear items and consumer wear items. So there are two reasons why we are covering this stock today. The first thing is their fundamental strength, and the second one is their uniqueness. So first, so this Borosil Renewable is a part of this Borosil Group. So Borosil Group have two parts, sub companies, the Borosil Limited and the Borosil Renewable. The Borosil Limited manufactures the lab glass items or the various cooking kitchen items and all those things. So at least from my childhood days in all the laboratories from school to college and my research days, I found that most of the lab items, lab glasswares at least, were of Borosil. So this Borosil Renewable Group, I will say why this is unique and why this can be the next. This is following Adani Green, and this can be better than the Adani Green. So everyone knows that now Indian government is focusing more on the solar energies and all those renewable energies. So whether whoever becomes the leader in the solar energy, whether it's Adani Green or Tata Power uh, or Kalpatru Power or whoever it is, so they need the solar glass. Now this is the thing. I'm increasing the size for you. So Borosil Renewable Limited is the first and only solar glass manufacturer in India. So we everyone knows whoever comes in, there might come more companies, more competitors in this section, in any areas. But everyone always remembers the first one, and if it has a good business policy, then this definitely becomes the leader, and it remains in market for long and long times. So there are many companies to name about, like Hindustan Unilever, Colgate, and there are lots and lots. I'm not, it's not possible to name every one of them in this short video. So it always remember, this is the first key highlight point. It is the first and the only solar glass manufacturer in India. The company spotted the opportunity in this segment quite early and commissioned the solar glass manufacturing facility at Bharuch in Gujarat in January 2010. Over the last 5 years, the solar PV installations and module production across the world have grown exponentially. In order to cater that growing demand, this company has recently expanded and more than double its existing production to 2.4 gigawatt per annum. So this is the second highlight point. They have more than doubled its existing production in recent times. Second, third point, the company has a strong focus on innovation and like development of world's first fully tempered 2 millimeter thick solar glass. Solar glass with lowest iron content giving highest glass efficiency. Now till now, earlier what used to happen is this: whoever the company is, the Tata Green or the sorry Adani Green or Tata Power or Kalpatru Power, whoever it is, they used to import this glass from China. But after the recent Chinese coalition, so this company will be the only company to provide the solar glass panels, the solar glass for any of these solar energy companies. Now, in future, we don't know. There might come some more competitors, but at this position, this is the only and the only company that is manufacturing this glass, solar glass. Now, the third thing, the CAGR, the export business has grown at a CAGR of 33% in last three financial years. So this is the another highlight point. And so they also import to European market is a major base for the company where it has now successfully started supplies of its newly developed products. In Europe also it is increasing its presence in America. So if America also starts cutting down its business or trade with China, so then they will also start importing. So they will also start buying this glass from this company. So definitely, it's this company will also increase its presence in America apart from the European market. So now next is this annual report. So if you see, this is another I found in the annual report. The company is planning to install a third furnace, SG3, with a installed capacity of around 500 MT in view of increasing demand of Indian manufacturers of solar PV module. So this is the another highlight point. So you can go through more details in their annual report if you have time. There are around 285 pages. So definitely you can go. Now come to the uh, now this today's trade, it is trading at around 273.8 paisa. Hmm, see the 52-week high and lows. So it was trading at around 20. The 52-week low is 27.5, and it's 323.25. And this low is it went high in I think in March or April 2020, and also it touched this 323 price in the same 2020. So in a year it got almost 10 times. So this share grown at a 10 times rate in a year, in a less than a year. So if you see their chart, I'm going to a wider chart. Yes, it was decreasing in this 2019 phase, but after that, now in 2030th March or around that period, March April period, it went to its lowest in that 27 rupees, and now it went to a high of around 320 rupees in December, in 5th January or end of December or in beginning of January. Now, if you see the key points, the shareholding pattern, the promoter holding remains unchanged at 70.5%. Mutual fund holding remains same at 0.02%. The next is the FIIs. The FII, see the FIIs. The FII, FPI have increased holdings from 0.3% to 0.42% in September quarter. Yes, the FIFP investor number has decreased from 20 to 20, 22 to 20 in September, but the total percentage has increased. The institutional investors have increased holding from 0.45 to 0.47%. Now, if you see the price performance in 1 week, it has made a correction of 8.74%. In 1 month, it's 108%. 3 months, 260%. 1 year, 65.84%. Okay. Now, yeah, see, it's the chart already I have shown you. So it went to a high of around three. So from 27, it went to a high of. It is a straight. It has almost gone straight after October. If you see here, it almost went a straight peak. So it's. I can't make any chart, or I can draw any line because it was a straight line. So now, but if you see, yes, so it has made a correction. So why I can't I was not able to trade at this moment because during this March, April, May, June, I have other companies that I was trading in, Bajaj Finance and Havels. There are many more companies that I was trading, so I didn't focused on this company much. I have also bought Adani Green at that point. I think I bought Adani Green at around 383 levels. Uh, something around that 350 to 400 levels, and then I sold at around 800 levels, because I invested that money in some other companies during that period. uh, Not, I've not sold the entire Adani Green holdings. I have, yes, the majority one, the 75% of my holdings I have sold, because I made a good amount of profit in a short period in Adani Green. Now about this company, yes. So during this when I started focusing on this company, this was almost trading at around 224, but I was not confident enough at this level, since it was touching its recent highs of that it made. It was in 18th February. Then it broke that level. I was waiting after that for a bit correction in this trade. So it went high, and it has now made. I found that it has made a correction of around 18%. But I'm not. I will see a couple of days if it trades in this range. If it goes straightway, I will buy at this level around this 27 this today's trade around 270 to 290. I will buy. Now if it does more correction, and if it comes around this level, I'm expecting it to correct around a bit more, around 270 to 260 or 250. So I will buy 25% of my investment, or 50% even. If it into if it comes to 270, I will invest 25% of my planned investment. And if it goes below 250, I will do more investment. And if it starts going rise up from this level, then also I will buy another 25%. So my current buying price for this stock is 270. If you can't control yourselves, and if you want to invest immediately, then you can invest, but that should be for a long time, not for a shorter period. So I will also invest in this company if I do for a longer period, and I will buy in an SIP mode, not at one time. Always remember, don't invest all your money at one go. Invest at least in 3 to 5, sorry, 3 to 4, or even if you want, you can invest in a 5 parts. Thank you.